Communities such as Thunder Bay in northwestern Ontario have many opportunities for growth and improvement. The nature of these communities provides us with a unique set of needs to address, with financial literacy programming being a high priority. That's why Enactus Lakehead developed Getting Financially Lit. This is a project that teaches students how to apply important personal financial skills. It originated to help a number of Indigenous youth that fly in from Northern Reserves each year to attend high school or pursue a post-secondary education in Thunder Bay. This is the reality for many young people, and it means saying goodbye to parents, siblings, and sometimes their own children. These students face adjusting to life in Thunder Bay and a lack of financial literacy.
Our workshops focus on forming a basis of and enhancing the participants' knowledge of monthly budgeting, obtaining and managing a bank account, searching and applying for scholarships, along with resume, LinkedIn, and interview help for obtaining employment. The COVID-19 pandemic has pushed the global community significantly towards being centered around distance learning, which has forced our team to pivot, but has also allowed us to establish a lean model envisioned to provide financial education basics through virtual administration for students all over the world.
To begin, we scaled our project this year to provide this workshop for a local post-secondary institution known as Oshki Pimachowin, the Wanjak Education Institute.
We also included a question at the end of the Zoom poll to ask how they found the workshop and whether they believe they gained valuable knowledge. With this, 80% found they gained significant knowledge and enjoyed the workshop. Our knowledge tests were delivered through a Zoom poll, and from those, students scored 80% on their knowledge of budgeting, 75% on their knowledge of obtaining and managing a bank account, 85% on their knowledge of searching for and obtaining scholarships, and 100% on their knowledge pertaining to job skills.
To further our impact, we ran a workshop at Lakehead University with a focus on international students. 17 individuals registered for the workshop with specified interest in opportunities to further job skills, scholarships, and how to budget during the COVID-19 pandemic. We also ran Zoom polls during this workshop to assess basic understanding of the content. All were university-level participants that scored 100% on all questions, showing a knowledge and understanding of the concepts we were teaching. We also gauged perceived benefit and engagement from the workshop, with 60% expressing they felt they had learned something valuable while having fun, with the other 40% the workshop actually exceeded that expectation.
This year, our project impacted 19 people and provided them with necessary financial literacy skills to achieve their goals. Moving forward, we are planning to draw on the power of our team, specifically 2 enthusiastic first-year Enactus Lakehead members studying at Lakehead University from Mexico and India. In Canada, there is no official financial literacy program to support our international students. Meanwhile, Canada's international student population has tripled over the last decade to 642,000 in 2019.
Between language barriers, different banking structures between countries, the stress of pursuing their academic ambitions, and the rising tuition costs, international students needed effective financial literacy programming. This will provide our team with an opportunity to meaningfully mentor our first-year students as well as scale this project internationally. We will be delivering the workshop to students from Mexico and students from India. This will allow Getting Financially Lit to be Enactus's first international project. For sustainability, we are advertising Getting Financially Lit on the website of one of our other projects, Dear Stranger, which provides peer support for international students.
Additionally, our aim is to provide a package which includes a series of workshops on a modular basis and offer it to other student groups across the globe, each tailored to the geographical location and specific needs, which will be updated accordingly. We want to incorporate this workshop into IELTS training centers in India and Mexico. These centers provide English training for residents planning to immigrate to either the United States or Canada. We also plan to offer this workshop as part of Lakehead University's student orientation and continue to offer this workshop for Oshki Pimachowin. Finally, we eventually want to scale this project to other Enactus teams around the world and continue to use the power of our collaborative network.
The inclusion of Indigenous and international peoples into the Canadian economy provides a better tomorrow for us all.